Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. Thank you so much for being here. And today I'm going to talk about, for men, one of the best ways you can use energy. There's so much conversation on how to be stronger, how to be more fit, what to eat, how to eat, all the different plans that are out there. I currently am in some networking circles where a lot of men are engaged in these really tough challenges like 75 hard and just all these different things. But I want to give you the best thing that you can do for your body is sleep. Sleep is the underdog of health, where our go society, and you're starting to see more conversation around how that hustle culture is so detrimental to your nervous system. The hustle culture is so detrimental to your metabolism. And so sleep and rest, I want you to move to your priority list. How is your sleep hygiene? How is your rest at night? Are you able to get off of social media, get off the screens, turn off things that could be impeding your rest at night and fall asleep? A lot can go into sleep, a lot of emotional factors, a lot of traumatic factors. There can be a lot of stimulants happening, especially in different cultures or different light systems. And so you want to think, am I resting? Males tend to have a lot of pressure to provide or do certain things for the family, and there is no time. And if you are burnt out, you're unable to love yourself. You're unable to love your immediate family or social circle. And so ask yourself, am I prioritizing my rest? Am I able to play? Am I able to laugh? Am I able to look forward to things that I want to do? And if you're not doing that, then what is the point of working so hard? No one at the end of their life is so happy that they worked so hard. I have not seen that once in my life where that is actually the dream. And so look at your sleep, look at your rest, and ask yourself, are you getting enough? Thank you so much, and hope this was valuable. Stay tuned for part 2.